Hello everyone. Today we will discuss from the chapter The Little Girl Thinking About Language. Let's start. Question number 1. Look at the following sentence. There was a glad sense of relief when she heard the noise of the carriage growing fainter. Here, glad means happy about something. Here, glad, happy, pleased, delighted, thrilled, and overjoyed are synonyms, words, or expressions that have the same or nearly the same meaning. However, they express happiness in certain ways. Okay, now read the sentence below. She was glad when the meeting was over. The chief guest was pleased to announce the name of the winner. So here we see the synonym words. Okay, so many synonymous words means almost same meaning are there, like joy, happiness, glad, all this. Okay, so here we'll see the words which are same in meaning. Now question number 1, let's see. Use an appropriate word from the synonyms given above in the following sentences. Clues are given in brackets. Okay, so above already I read the words here. Okay, all these words. Now we'll see here which will be the appropriate for that, and we'll use that. Okay, question number 1. She was dashed by the news of her brother's wedding. Here it is given very pleased. So what would be the answer? The answer would be she was thrilled by the news. Here thrilled. Okay, she was thrilled by the news of her brother's wedding. Number 2. I was dashed to be invited to the party. Here extremely pleased and excited about. Okay, so the answer would be here I was delighted to be invited to the party. Okay, number 3. She was dashed at the birth of her granddaughters. Extremely happy means when somebody comes newborn baby in their home, so they become extremely happy. So what will be the synonym answer for this? Here she was overjoyed at the birth of her granddaughter. Okay, number 4. The coach was dashed with his performance. Here satisfied about. Okay, because he was doing well, and so his coach was satisfied. So here the answer would be the coach was pleased with his performance. Okay, number 5. She was very dashed with her results, happy about something that has happened. So something that has happened, for that he was happy. Okay, so what will be the answer? She was very happy with her results. Okay, over. Now let's see question number 2. Number 2, study the use of the word big in the following sentence. He was so big, his hands and his neck, especially his mouth. Here big means large in size. Now consult the dictionary and find out the meaning of big in the following sentences. The first one has been done for you. Now here in this all different questions, there will be the different meaning for the same word big. Okay, and so here you need to refer to your dictionary. If you have dictionary, go through whatever the answer comes, just you go through that and refer your dictionary. Okay, now let's see question number 2. Question 1, it is done already. You are a big girl now, so it is big girl. Here big girl means it's a older. Okay, now number 2. Okay, let's see the answer. Today you are going to take the biggest decision of your career. Here the answer would be most important. Okay, number 3. Their project is full of big ideas. The answer would be great. Okay, Number 4. Cricket is a big game in our country. Okay, now here it will be cricket is a popular game in our country. Okay, number 5. I am a big fan of Lata Mangeshkar. Okay, now here I am a huge fan of Lata Mangeshkar. Number 6. You have to cook a bit more as my friend is a big eater. Here the answer is great. Okay, great eater, that means he eats more. Number 7. What a big heart you have got, father dear. So here the answer would be large hearted, means big heart, means here the answer is large heart, means who has good heart, means who can think about others, and maybe he is free enough for others to help them out. Okay, we say that you have a big heart or you have a large heart. Okay, now next ahead, verbs of reporting. Now already you have studied in your previous class about your reporting speech. Okay, now just remember that and try to do this. Okay, let's see. Study the following sentences. What screamed mother? No, she whispered. Sit up, he ordered. Okay, the italicized words, see here italicized. What is italicized? Italicized words means the word which is written in a slanting lines. Okay, that is called your italicized words. Like here screamed, whispered, here ordered, they are all written in slanting way, so that is they are called as a italicized words. Are verbs of reporting. We quote or report what someone has said or thought by using a reporting verb. Every reporting clause contains a reporting verb. For example, he promised to help in my project. He promised to help in my project. How are you doing? Seema asked. Okay, here. So here it contains a reporting verb also. Now see question number 1. Underline the verbs of reporting in the following sentence. He says he will enjoy the ride. He says he will enjoy the ride. Here the word which is can be told as a reporting verb is says. Okay, says is a reporting verb here, so you have to underline this word. Number 2. Father mentioned that he was going on a holiday. Here mentioned is a reported in reported speech. Number 3. No one told us that the shop was closed. Here told. Okay, told is a verb which is in reported speech. Number 4. He answered that the price would go up. Here answered is a word which is in reported speech. Now next, number 5. I wondered why he was screaming. Here it is wondered. Number 6. Ben told her to wake him up. Here it is told. Number 7. Ratan apologized for coming late to the party. Here the answer is apologized. Okay, Ratan apologized for coming late to the party. Now see question number 2. Some verbs of reporting are given in the box. Choose the appropriate verbs and fill in the blanks in the following sentences. Here the words are given here. Okay, from that we have to fill here. Okay. Question number 1. I am not afraid, remarked the woman. Here the number 1 is remarked, this answer. Okay. Number 2, leave me alone, my mother shouted. Here question number 2, answer this one. Okay, shouted. Number 3, the children were complaining. Here children were complaining that the roads were crowded and noisy. Number 3 answer, were complaining. Number 4, perhaps he isn't a bad sort of a chap after all, replied the master. Here the answer is replied. Okay, this one, replied the master. Number 5, let's go and look at the school ground, suggested the sports teacher. Okay, here the answer would be suggested. Number 6, the traffic police ordered all the passers-by to keep off the road. Here passerby. Okay, so here the students, you can see while reading this, by seeing this question you can make out, like here he is a traffic police, so what he will do, he will give a order. Okay, he will give a order. So here it is order, like here number 5, you see, let's go and look at the school ground, suggested the sports teacher. So here maybe he is with the principal, so what he will do, he will suggest. Okay, like that. So you can make out like that and you can find out. So my dear students, we have completed this chapter. You complete your question answers in your CW copy. This one number 2 you have to do complete this one also, and also you need to complete this question 2. You also need to complete number 2, this one, and also you need to complete this. Okay, this full in your CW copy. Okay, students, hope everyone have understood well. Thank you.